It was all smiles as athletes competing in the 34th Beijing Marathon limbered up for the 26.2-mile race. Heavy smog hung over the Chinese capital, with many taking precautions to protect themselves from the elements. Around 30,000 runners registered for the event, with almost half coming into China from overseas. The field included defending champion Girmay Birhanu Gebru from Ethiopia. The finishing was staged in Beijing's Olympic Park, yet you wouldn't have known it with the smog preventing any views of the city. The men's and women's marathon winners were both from Ethiopia. Girmay Birhanu Gebru retained the title in 2 hours, 10 minutes and 42 seconds. While Fatuma Sado Dergo won the women's event in 2 hours, 30 minutes and 0.3 seconds. China's Gong Liao finished third in the women's event. And with the Chinese authorities having advised the young and elderly not to participate in the race, it was a day to be proud, just to say you'd taken part.